make the secret box and the ghoulish finger pen. Use the secret box to surprise your kids. Let's see what's in the box. Ooh! To make the secret box, you just need an old cardboard jewelry box and a little bit of stuffing and a finger. Just cut a hole in the bottom of the box big enough to slip your finger into like that. Then put a little bit of cotton wadding or fiberfill, polyester fiberfill, in the box to make it look like a little bedding for your finger. If you really want to be gross, you can put some red marker or something to make the finger look bloody. And then you just put your finger in like that and hold the box like this so they can't see that you don't have a finger. And put it in the box, and what a surprise!